Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do a amazing channel. Today we're gonna do color reveal puppy. Okay, I think this is
This part are for
I don't know. This is the party. This is the party, and this is the baby. Alright, open. Alright, there's so many, Mom. Ooh. So it says like metallic. This is metallic. So it says it have a dog and a cat. Oh, you just need to put water, sponge. You have a sponge. Okay, you have tissues, wig. That one. So you have one. Okay. Oh, Mom! You need to have eyes too. Because look at this. When you're gonna dye the hair, you need 2 eyes.
Go now.
I need your help.
I'll be the one to
Oh,
work.
okay. My mom is helping. Okay. No! Need to put some more. Put some more. No, because it's super hot.
Close it.
Just close it.
Ay,
Ooh!
hindi. Pag ika-close mo, tapos mainit, magpa-pop siya.
Put.
That's
One.
it.
Ayan no, up to here.
Sa face.
Up to here. Do you know why even if it revealed? And I just... Do you know why I just put a lot of with water? But it have so many pa.
Granola.
So many sparkles. Up to here, Mama. Oh.
Reveal. Ay, magaganda sa abroad tayo. Super
Mali siya maliligo? Hindi. Gold siya kanina. Ngayon may kulay siya. Okay.
Okay.
So, yeah.
How about your Barbies will be friends with my Barbie?
Use the scissors.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sarap naman magpabili na to.
maganda kasi yung makeup niya.
Oh, look at the eyeshadow. Look at the eyeshadow.
This is her friend because that's from my sister. So because she have a lot of friends.
Oh, my sister. Your sister?
Nagpo-fall siya.
Oh my God!
May wig pa sila.
You need eyes, Mama. You need
I
eyes.
think it's fine.
You need eyes. You need eyes.
Barbies.
Tapos naka-color yan.
Oh.
Highlights yan
Oh
later.
my god, it's glossy shoes! It's glossy shoes. Let's have glossy shoes.
So exciting.
So excited. Oh my god. Oh.
Because it's beach, right?
Black face ice cream.
Oh my gosh.
Ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin'.
Right there.
So after that, this is next. This pop is next.
Where's the sponge? The free sponge.
We need a sponge. Wait, you need to open. Oh, the last one. Oh, the last one.
One more. That's all for the beach.
How about I think you need to put some more? Oh my god! Sorry. You just see this. Oh, it's a glass. Where's my sponge? It have ano pa. You need to put it in the hot water.
That's it. Yeah, that's the hair already. It's pink na.
No! It's not. You're not right.
The wig is the one you're gonna reveal. You have to put the water on the wig.
No, you don't
Promise.
know that. Wait.
Copy the bang.
Tingnan mo. Wait. Don't put it pa.
Hot.
Okay, guys. I put it. Look at this. Oh my God, it's right. I'm right. I'm right. Oh,
Nag-reveal pa from pink to green.
Oh!
Pag may temperature ko, hindi pwede. So, pag ano.
Diba also the face? The face also changed.
Wait, look at
Pag
this.
cold water.
Wait.
Ay, pag cold.
Bumabalik.
Pag cold.
Yun.
I don't know. Tingnan mo, di ba wala na?
So
Tapos, pag this temperature, wait. This is right.
Here, I'll get
ang cool naman ng Barbie ni Athena.
And after that, look at this, Tita Bing. 1, 2, 3, go.
Why don't you just dip it in cold water?
This one is cold.
Try
I think let's dip it in cold water.
Wala.
Yeah, that's it. I think that's it.
Yeah.
How about the wig?
How about the wig? Yeah.
Let's use
I think the white one is gonna
The
be
highlights.
is gonna change. I think. So 1, 2, 3, go. Oh yeah, it happened.
Oh, lumabas yung ano niya.
Yeah,
Color
lumabas.
pink.
Okay. After that, let it go.
Hey, reveal the hair.
Yeah, where's
color. Sponge I put it.
Putting hair.
Oh yeah, the sponge.
What? How?
And
Are you sure? Oh my god!
God.
What the hell?
Oh no! Show it to the camera.
it's gonna die. I'm gonna do it. Wait, skip it. Hiligo na lang natin siya. Is that it?
Here pa on the other side.
Wait, no, wait.
Oh, cute.
Mama. I-review mo. My mom is helping. This is my mom. This is my mom. And this is super wet. Sorry, Lola Nita. Because we wet your this one. We wet the dining room. That's it. After that, I think pwede ka mag.
Let's use let's open the party. Let's open the party. I want to see this one.
How about this?
Open that.
Open that.
Oh my gosh, there's the cat.
Oh my god. I thought this is the only one. I don't like this. Ew. Ew. It's just boring. So I just like this. I like you, but I love you, boy. Ooh, I like it. Like this.
You put the clothes.
Ang ganda naman.
Ang ganda niyan.
Ano yan? How about this glossy?
Saan yung clothes ng party?
Tingnan yung clothes ng party. Maybe
I
this one.
like it. Ooh. Oh my god, this is what I want. How about this? I think
You can combine.
I think we can let's do this first for the Barbie. Let's do this first for the Barbie. Okay. What I do is Mama, can you help me to do this?
Yun si Tita Ben.
Daddy, can you help me?
Wait.
Okay. This is, I will reveal first while my, okay. Oh my goodness. This is the pink shoes. And, ooh! This is the pink shoes. This is the pink shoes. And the other shoes. And this is the other shoes. And this. Can you see?